Hello everyone. This is your science teacher again. I hope everyone is well. I thought I should make a video before your exam regarding the instructions and the question paper and answer sheets. What instructions I have given in your class, actually I am repeating them again. If in any case you have missed the class, you could not attend the classes properly due to network issues or anything else, you can check these instructions well. So these instructions are for my grade 3 children specifically who are pursuing the exam online for the first time like this, because you are very new for these exams. You did not come to the school, but I know you people are very brave and very smart and you can rock, right? You can rock. Yes, very good. So let's have a look on few points. Before going to the question paper directly, I'd like to say you, firstly you sit properly because your exam is there. So sit properly and take a deep breath for 3 times. Okay, then sit with your pencil obviously, pencil and eraser, scale, write down your name, roll number well, then you look at the question paper well. Reading the questions instructions are very important. Suppose I am telling you now get the worksheet first. Okay, so get the worksheet first. Let us count. Yes, you can pause the video now and go and fetch the worksheet. Okay, so are you ready? Fine. So let us talk about that. The worksheet, page number 1, because this is a handy one which is kind of question form and we can discuss different types of questions as well. Suppose the first picture is saying the first question is saying that picture of various food items are given below. Choose a word from the help box and mention their taste in the oval shape. That means here few words are there like picture. Okay, there are few pictures. So what are those pictures? You can see what are those pictures in the given worksheet, page number 1. You can check there are pictures of Karela, right? Bitter gourd, toffee, lemon, then chips. So there are pictures, there are few words as well. So what you have to do is you need to match which picture is related to which word. After matching them, you have to write down the words right behind or right below the picture, the related word which is given. Suppose the picture is of the Karela, right? The picture of the Karela. So what you will write down? Bitter gourd means that taste is bitter. The taste is bitter. Right? Yes, very good. Now riddles. Riddles can come. You have to read it well and you can write down the answer very easily if you read it well. Next question is rewrite. Rewrite. Rewrite means, can anyone tell me? Yes. Very good. You have to write it again. Something is written in your question paper. Say in page number 2, question number 3. Page number 2, question number 3 in your worksheet. Okay, in your worksheet. Number 1. So if I am talking about this, you can see the question number 3 of page number 2 is saying you very clearly that rewrite the sentences. How? After correction, rewrite the following sentences correctly. That means you have to correct the sentence first. You have to delete the portion which is wrong. Say question number 3A is saying you, we should clean our tongue with our hands, which is very, very wrong. We should clean our tongue with tongue cleaner, right? By the help of the tongue cleaner. This is the right answer. So like that, you have to write down the full sentence. You cannot leave the half sentence, or you cannot write down only the answer is like tongue cleaner. You cannot write down tongue cleaner. What you have to write down? The full sentence. You have to write down the full sentence. You cannot write down the tongue cleaner only. Okay? Very good. Chalo. So the next thing which I wanted to discuss with you is that, one more thing. If you are having any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. I can solve the doubt. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, now let us go to question number 2 of page number 3. Page number 3, question number 2. Now the opposite thing. Page number 3 and question number 2. You can see there are pictures given. There are pictures given. If the picture is already given, you don't need to think. You can just see the picture and get the word from it. The box is given. Okay. Place some, what it is given. The black color thing is kind of soil into a pot. Like that. You have to guess and you have to write down the answer rightly. Think what we had done in the class during the discussion about making compost. Right? So you have to think what we have done. Now, the next thing is the similarity and difference, which is in page number 4. Always remember, if you are having the difference thing in your exam, you have to follow the rules, okay, which is given in the picture. Like you have to write down the answer in such boxes only. If the box is made here, suppose for the difference, you have to make the box accordingly. Okay, you should make the box accordingly, like this. This is a small one. I'm just keeping these things small so that it can fit in one page. I do not want to waste paper. I am really against it. So I want to use the whole paper. And again, I want to make it clear, clean and distinct also. Like you can understand the meaning. There are 3 different things we had talked, right? Yes. So this is the difference. So you have to write down difference here. Okay. Difference of so and so. Means suppose difference between the climber and creeper. If it is given, you have to write down like this. Climber and creeper. Like that, you can write down the differences. And make sure you're writing like this. First point here, first point here. After finishing first point from the both sides, you can draw a line, then you can say the second point. Okay? So it should be clean and clear. Neat and clean. There should be no jumbling, no dirty copy. Okay? Okay, very good. So this is all, I guess, to discuss with you. I want you to practice the things well, practice the drawing, the diagrams with proper level also, right? Diagrams should be drawn with level. With level. Without level, you will get what? You will get a big egg or big rasgulla. So you have to draw it, then you have to level it. Now the question of coloring. You may color, you may not color. That is up to you. If it is asked in the question that you have to color this, then only you color. Otherwise not. If it is asked in the exam that color this picture, color this thing, then only you color. Otherwise it is your wish. If you have time, if you have enough time to color it, then you color it. otherwise leave it. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for listening, and if you have any questions more, you can ask me. Here we are having the chat box, here you can post your questions if you have any kind of doubt. Acha, okay, like let me tell you one more question, which is in page number 16. Page number 16. This is a different type of question. Page number 16. You have got few pictures. You have got few pictures, right? There are few pictures, 4 pictures given. Read the question well, beta. What it is given. You have to name the types. Name the types. More than 70% of students did not see this. They just name the plants which is given here. They just name the plants, like the first one is the coriander, so they just wrote coriander. But here we are asking the type of plant, not the plant. Coriander is a kind of herb, right? Coriander is a kind of herb, so you have to write down that only. Instead of writing down the name coriander, name the types, not the, it is written that name the plant. Name the types mean the types of plants. Name the types of plants. So always read the question well, beta, otherwise you will lose the marks here. Suppose this question is for 2 marks, you will get only 1 mark. Suppose the question is for 1 mark, you will get half marks. Do you want it? I don't think so. So please be careful, okay? Please be careful. Anyways, all the best. Do read the books well, read the chapters well, then draw the diagrams, and always listen to your parents whenever they are asking you to practice writing. Please practice writing, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you will do very good in exam. I pray that your health will be very good during the exam. All the best. Bye bye. See you.